A pixel in digital photography is the smallest individually illuminated area on the sensor. The most simple pixel consists of three filters, red, green, and a blue filter. If you want to understand how an image is created, understanding how each pixel is created is very important. Here you can see three filters on top of the sensor. When white light containing all the colors hit these filters, the red filter allows only red colors, the green allows only green parts, and the blue filter allows only blue parts of the light. Now the work of a sensor is to record the intensity, values generated by these filters onto them, so each pixel data contains three values corresponding to each color. Also, we know that with different combination of these three colors, we can create more than 16 million colors. These help us in producing any colors possible. Afterwards, the important thing to understand is that this is just one pixel, and if your camera is 16 megapixel, the same process is done 16 million times in fraction of a second. This is how an image is created by a camera. Now is a good time to explain what RGB colors are as mentioned before. Any color can be formed by combining red, green, and blue colors. For example, red, green, and blue in equal intensity creates white color. Red plus green equal to yellow. Red plus blue is magenta. Green plus blue is cyan, and obviously intensity values of 0 from all colors creates black color. Similarly, varying the amount of intensity of red, green, or blue gives millions of colors. Each color can be represented by its RGB value, which tells the intensity of each color to be mixed. These values for an 8-bit sensor contain 256 intensities for each color from 0 to 255, where 0 is absolute black and 255 is white. Here we will see the RGB values of various colors. You can just do a Google search for RGB color code to get this color picker. We can see here that moving the cursor and pointing into different colors, how the RGB values are changing. You can play with this tool to understand how RGB colors work. Also to remember is that each pixel value is read one by one, line by line in an image sensor. The processor in a DSLR, even in high-end DSLR, are not powerful enough to read the complete set of millions of pixel data at the same time. Here is an example of how an image is formed. Each block here represents one pixel only. This process is known as rolling shutter, and this is how pixel by pixel an image is created by our cameras.